Hello guys, it's Aruz once again, and today I have Logitech G402 mouse. So let's unbox it. First of all, it have 8 buttons. Let's make it quick. So now we have Logitech's box here. As you can see, the box is like so. This is a Logitech box, as you can see. So the price is mentioned here is 28.95, but I got it on only 23.45. So look at the overview of this box. As you can see, ultra fast FPS gaming mouse. It's totally a gaming mouse, and it have 8 buttons. So let's unbox it. First of all, we will open it like that. So I needed to cut it right here, so let's open it. So you have to do like that, and after that you have to just open like that. I think I also need to cut here because it's also tight. So as you can see, now the box is open, and the first look is like that. So here we have our gaming mouse. So let's open it. So look at that mouse. So we got a Logitech sticker, and we also got a CD for its manual, I think, yeah, and stickers, and also manual books. That's it. So here is the mouse. It's pretty big, so if you have big palm, so it will be good for you. So as you can see, the mouse is here. So let's open it again. So let's remove it from that thing, and after that you can see the Logitech. It's black color. You will also get a brown, I think gray color there. Yeah, it's available on Amazon. So as you can see the quality of this, you can see the rubber here, and after that you can see the sensor here. The sensor is very good. So because you will get a lot of, you have to manage a lot of things, and it have 8 buttons, which is the first button is here, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8, total 8 buttons. And the grip of this mouse is very good. As you can see, it will you can put all your hand there. It's pretty big. It's probably like 145 grams of the mouse. So as you can see, this is a good mouse, and here is some grip. If you have oil in your hand, then it will stuck there. And the wheel is also good. As you can see, here is the light of it's G402, that is why. So in this mouse you will get a DPI setting, which is very good for gamers. Just like you will get from 240 to 4000 DPI, which is very good. Mostly gamers use only low profile, low DPI, because it's good for a gamer. Nobody use 400 DPI. So after that it have 32-bit onboard memory profile, which is very good. And after that it have ultra low fraction feed, which will give you very smooth effect. And it's little bit lightweight, but it's little bit big also. So if you have big palm like me, so it will be very good for you. And it has so improved gaming design, which is very good, and personally I liked it very well. You can use this mouse with Mac and also with Windows, so it will be very good for you. It's a pretty good gaming mouse. So that's it. So let's come to the wire. The wire connectivity is the wire is not so impressive as I thought, but it's okay. Yeah, it's good. I expected other wire for it, but it's okay. So you need a application software. You need a software to customize these buttons in this mouse. So first of all, let's connect without software and check if it's working or not. So I have USB 2.0 port. I will connect this mouse here. So as you can see, the blue light here, and totally, let's see, it's totally working. and as you can see, yeah, it's totally working. The click is very smooth, as you can listen the voice of this click like that. So it's very smooth. You can change your DPI settings from this button. So it's very smooth. So I will download the software which I need to download. So after that we can customize many things here. So let's come to the software. So if you want to increase your DPI setting, then you have to click on this. Then as you can see the light, its DPI is increased. As you can see the 3 lights. So if you want to make it slow, then you have to click here, and if you want to make it hard, then you have to click here. So let's check out what is the result. So as you can see, I have a slow DPI setting. So as you can see, this mouse movement giving me like that result, and when I increase DPI setting, then as you can see the light it's increased, and as you can see it's like that, just movement is same. So I will check this mouse and I will review it again. So thank you for watching this video.